CNC Machining.
Hi, I'm Mr. Logan, the instructor in the CNC Machining Program. Today, computer numerical controlled, or CNC machines, are found almost everywhere, from small job shops in rural communities to Fortune 500 companies in large urban areas. Truly, there is hardly a facet of manufacturing that is not touched in some way by these innovative machine tools. CNC machining is integral to modern manufacturing and touches nearly everything in our society. There are many good-paying jobs in the area for this high-skilled career with excellent advancement opportunities.
Hello, my name is McKenna Williams, and I came to the CNC program last year. Since then, I have learned how to run each machine, how to use Mastercam, a 3D printer, and a laser. During my time in the program, I have helped build several real-world parts, including an axle stud for an old car, in addition to my class projects. But my favorite thing to do is to create parts for the 3D printer. If you like being hands-on and also working on computers, then CNC machining might be the class for you.
Students in the CNC Machining Program learn to use advanced computer technology to manufacture unique products for a wide range of production needs. Our shop is equipped with state-of-the-art, industry-standard precision machines. All students have the opportunity to receive various NIMS certifications, which authenticate these valuable skill sets. If you're looking for a rewarding career in the manufacturing field, CNC is the program for you.